Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing we got to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So let's go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. And once you take them out, you want to wait a few seconds. And after a few seconds, if one of these is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, that means it's in pairing mode, okay? I'm not getting no lights here, and the reason why I'm not getting no lights or anything is because I'm currently connected to another device. I'm actually connected to my iPhone here, so in order for me to put this in pairing mode now, I can do two things, okay? I can basically go to my settings to the device I'm connected to, which is my iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can disconnect from here, or I can basically forget this device or unpair, delete off the pairing list. If I do any of those three, these will go into pairing mode automatically. I can also reset these earbuds. If I reset these now, these will also go into pairing mode. But what I'm going to do is just turn off Bluetooth, okay? So as soon as I turn it off, look at the earbuds. What do you know? One of them is blinking blue, red, blue, red. Now it is in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and quickly jump over to our Samsung phone here. We're going to go to settings, go to connections, and then go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here, and that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode and should show up down here under available devices. It's still in the pairing mode. It did find the TOZO T10, so I'll tap on that. With Android phones, you will get a pairing request. Tap on pair, give it one moment, and now you can see, oops, it just said it was connected. I just disconnected. Let me connect back to it. Okay, so we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues where you couldn't put in the pairing mode or you had issues connecting, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area.